put you back in. Alright, so I had what I thought was a bad joint in the rail. I figured this was a bad joint because it's so wore out. I'll show you down the rail here. Not sure how well it'll show up, but oh yeah, it shows up. But inside of that rail, it's pretty badly wore out. And I was derailing here every time I went over it. Mainly the engine, because the engine has a one axle that's too narrow for 7 1/4 inch gauge, but that's a long story. But right here is where the engine was derailing. So what I did, I was going to flip the rail and use this other side over here, which isn't so badly wore out. Actually, I don't think it's worn at all. But I checked the gauge, and of course it was wide. Still is a little bit wide, but it's not terrible. But I noticed this was bent out right here. You see where it's bent in. So I loosened up the screws and kicked it in, and yeah, it looks awful, but it works now, and I don't derail there anymore. So that's how I fixed that temporarily. Now that's temporarily until it breaks so badly that I can't run over the track again, but that's still temporary, right?